we've gathered more genius hacks to make your life easier. We're starting the compilation with the invisible stitch. So easy and so satisfying to try. Want to learn how to make pleats through an easy way? A fork will serve as a helpful tool. And here you have the perfect pleats. Threading a needle might often take minutes. Through this genius hack, you'll be able to thread a needle in a matter of seconds. Sewing pins all over the place? Avoid bleeding fingers with a magnet hack. Just like a magic trick. Before you cut a piece of fabric with scissors, learn how to create the perfect guide. As for the perfect circle, here's how to do it. Just wait and see. Even stitches have never been easier to do. 2 simple lines on your thumb will solve the problem. Impressive, right? With our next trick, you don't have to worry about the security of your thread. Easy knot. Secure thread. Pants too long? Follow these steps. This way, you can keep the original hem of your pants.